Guys, don't pull fire alarms. Don't tamper with fire alarms or any other life safety device out in public. If you pull or tamper with fire alarms or tamper with any life safety equipment out in public, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined and you are going to get arrested. Only pull fire alarms if there is a real fire, or if you have permission to pull them for a fire drill or a system test. But other than that, do not pull them. Never tamper with fire alarms. So, never take alarms off the wall, never unscrew alarms, never paint alarms, never do any of that to the alarms. Also, never tamper with exit signs, fire extinguishers, emergency lighting. Do not tamper with any life safety equipment out in public. If you want to do these things in your own house, that is totally fine, but if you're doing these things in public, that is not okay at all, so do not do that. If you have your own fire alarms, or your own fire extinguishers, or your own exit signs, or your own emergency lights that doesn't protect the public, then you can mess with them, but if these things are in a real building that is protecting the public, you cannot mess with them. Bye.